Well, this morning I've decided to revisit Thomson Nature Park, and it's completely deserted because the cars are not allowed to come in here, so there's only a few people who are walking. Coming in from the car park, you come to a junction which gives you two ways to go. On the left is the ruins and fixed trail, and on the right is a stream and fern trail. For today, I think let's take the ruins and fixed trail. I'm surprised to find that there is a pretty nice road here. I guess it was built a long time ago when people were living here. The NParks have done a pretty good job. It's a very nice place for a family stroll after the COVID-19 circuit breaker. People should come here and enjoy this park. It's so shady and nice and well laid out. A nicely constructed wall, evidence of an earlier habitation here. Oh, wow, look at the buttress roots of this tree. It's amazing. Ooh. Evidence of early habitation, ruins left behind. How about this? Maximizing resources. And this one, Hainanese chicken rice. There's some information here. Hainanese village. From the 1930s to the 80s, there flourished a charming little settlement in this area, the Hainan village. Our Sukinang will be very happy. Let me just give some information here. Lorong Pelita. I wonder where this road leads to. Oh, walking along this Lorong Pelita, we now come to a junction here. Now, where does the right go? The right goes to Ruins and Fixed Trail. And continuing on straight, you go to the Makak and Langer Trail. Okay, let's go to the right and take a look and see what's there. Ruins and Fixed Trail. Totally deserted. Now, how about this? Weeping Fig. Story of the Wong family, House 42, Lorong Pelita. This trail is obviously for people who love nature. And look at this, the roots, the aerial roots of this tree dripping down. So nice. Okay, I think I'll leave you guys here, and I'll continue to walk and I'll tell you more about it next time. Okay, have a nice day.